Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, today is number 3 of the challenge. How are you doing out there? I hope it's going well. Well, I wanted to leave a tip with you today. Every day I'll be leaving a tip. Today is number 3, as I just mentioned. For those of you who are new to the channel, we are doing a healthy weight loss channel here with myself, Healthy Life with Kimmi. And I'm on a journey just to better my numbers at the doctor's office, lose a little bit of weight, just move better and feel better overall. So, what does that look like for everyone else? Everyone's journey is a little bit different. Everyone's diet plan or healthy way that they're walking is different. But the tips that we leave here will benefit everybody. So today's tip is to have more fruits and vegetables, okay? How do you sneak those little critters in your meals? Because sometimes, honestly, we don't want fruits and vegetables, right? But what I try to do and what I'm going to be doing during the challenge is, at least for breakfast, maybe add an orange, add a banana, add an apple, okay? Even add a salad with dinner. For lunch, add some spinach to your sandwich if that's what you're having, okay? Or make a little salad. Anything that you can do to add some nutrients to your body. Every little thing is going to help. Vegetables and fruits are really good for our hair, our skin, everything. So those nutrients, sometimes we try to get them in vitamins. Let's not take our vitamins, but let's see, can we also, in addition to taking supplements, eat the real thing? Even juices. Some people say, well, I had a cup of orange juice today. No. If you can, let's eat the orange instead of the juice. Because just taking that, for example, when you have orange juice, it goes straight to your blood sugar and it spikes. And if you have diabetes, it's not good, right? But if you eat the whole orange, you're getting the juice plus the fiber, and that slows it down, and that's going to help with digestion, constipation, and all those good things that we talk about a lot over here. So anyway, today's tip again is have more fruits and vegetables. Well, are you doing the challenge? If so, what have you done the last 3 days? And don't forget, we meet every Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern, completely free at my Zoom, and you can follow the link in the description box for next week, healthylifewithkimmi.com, for all things healthy, healthylifewithkimmi.com. Well, until next time, guys, see you later. Much success, and don't forget, fit is the new it. Bye.